we talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your Ascendant, means in your first house in the sign of Taurus. First house deal with your personality, your nature. First house basically deal with you. All the matters associated with you are seen from first house, means overall aspects of your life. How will be your life, how will be your nature, how will be your physique is seen from first house. So your fourth house lord is moving in your first house. So we can expect during the month of June your major focus will be your home or your personality or your nature or your health, because first house also represent health. Sun will stay in your first house till 15 June. Then Sun will move to your second house in the sign of Gemini. So when your fourth house lord will be moving in your second house in the sign of Gemini, then if we count from your fourth house,